to the Gintong Buhay celebration of Sir Jun Isais. 8 years na pala and lagi po kaming nandito nakikiselebrate ni Sir Jun.
Actually, si Jun, sobrang bait, saka good provider talaga. Sobrang sweet yung husband ko na yan eh. Mas sweet pa sa akin. Kaya nga before, ang tawagan namin sweet. Pero ngayon hindi na, pa at saka man na.
Let us welcome Mr. Gintong Buhay himself, our celebrant, Mr. Jun Isais, with his lovely wife, Miss Irene Isais.
Sir, thank you po for all the help, especially all the help na binigay mo kay Dad. We really appreciate it. You've helped our family in a very major way.
Wish you all the best. Tapos, yun, thank you sa payo, sa lahat. Sabi nga ni JC, sa maraming bagay naaasahan ka, pero hindi, sa'yo may katuparan yung paa sa lupa, mata sa langit. So, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
May iba lang, birthday happy sa'yo, Engineer Jun Isais. Malapit mo na ako abutan. 57 ka na eh. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Alien? Yeah. Happy birthday.
Heavenly Father, we praise you for gathering us tonight to celebrate the golden life of our brother Jun. We thank you for allowing us to experience your love and generosity through his loving presence.
Thank you very much for being an inspiration to everybody. Salamat sa laging nandyan ka, kayo ni Ninang Irene. Alam mo, hindi lang sa amin kasi pati sa Angeles, they do charity in Angeles City, Pampanga. Umaabot sila ng Pampanga para makapagbigay ng tulong. So, thank you very much. We love you. Kaming dalawa ni Jericho, love na love po namin kayo. Happy birthday, Ninong.
May you continue to surround him with your love, and may you give him more years, all of them pleasing to you.
Much po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa mga advokasya po ng Bantay Bata. So lahat po ng tumulong ngayong gabi ay maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And also po sa ating celebrant and sa kanyang family for doing this kind of activity. Muli po, maraming salamat po Sir Jun and happiest birthday po.
So, ang wish ko lang talaga sa kanya is yung good health niya, saka, syempre, happiness. At the same time, maging blessing siya sa marami. With that, alam ko, marami pang plans si Lord para sa'yo. Dahil marami ka pang pwedeng tulungan. Huwag ka lang masungit, ha? Happy birthday. We love you. Love you.